Hello, it's bensciBonappetit. Welcome back to another cooking video. Today's video I will be making cheesecake for National Cheesecake today. By the time I get this edited and uploaded, it will actually be Cheesecake Day. Technically today is Friday, tomorrow's Cheesecake Day. But by the time it's uploaded, it'll be today, Cheesecake Day. So today is National Cheesecake Day. Yeah, well, you know what I mean. But anyways, I got everything started. The first things you have to do is preheat oven to 325. 325. Okay, so. And after that, get the ingredients together. And after you do that, I'll let you know what you have to do when I get back. So the cheesecake I'm making is peanut butter and peanut butter Oreo cheesecake. So it's like, you gotta take, first thing you need to take is at least 17 Oreos. And crush them up in a plastic bag or something. You'll use a blender, that would make it easier, but I don't have that. So, crush up the Oreos. Crush up the Oreos in a plastic bag or something that you have that works. I use like a plastic bag because I don't have a blender. A food processor. So when that gets done, I'll be right back. So in the meantime, I'm doing that. I almost got all of the Oreos crushed up. Just take your springform pan. Use the springform pan would be the best solution to make a cheesecake. And just use that. Make sure it's sealed around the bottoms. Like that. And get that done. Continue making the crust. And after you got the Oreo cookies sufficiently crumbled, take a tablespoon of sugar and mix it in. Then you want to take a third of a cup of butter and melt it and then mix it in too. Okay, mix in the butter. Then you want to mix all the ingredients together. Mix all the ingredients together. And when that's done, it should be good enough for put in the crust, to put in the pan. The next thing you want to do is place the crust out of here. Place it on the bottom of the springform pan. And then spread it out evenly on the bottom of the pan, and cut up the sides a little bit. We're using to make the graham cracker bread to crush more graham crackers. Just a little bit more crumbly than I want, but it's pretty good. Right, I had to look at the instructions a little bit longer. See what's in there, bake the crust or with the cheesecake. But anyway, after that's done, you just place it in. Just get that ready and then start the mixture for the filling. So now we're making the filling. All you have to do is take 3 packages of 8-ounce cream cheese and mix them in. Once you add the cream cheese, add 3/4 of a cup of sugar. You split the 1 cup into 1 cup and 3/4 of a cup. And slowly mix that together on medium. Well, that is just have to okay, spatula. And then the next thing is the eggs to add. The next thing you want to do is add one egg at a time, slowly mixing in. If you have vanilla, you can add it at this time. Wait until it's well incorporated and mix in the next one. Try not getting your shells in there. After you mix in the eggs, then you screw down the sides and mix in everything until it's all incorporated. After you crush up the Oreos, 9 of them, put them into the batter. I use the same bag to crush up the Oreos. There was butter in it, so probably made the Oreos just a little bit wet, so after that's done, mix them in, and that should be done for the batter. The next thing you have to do is split the batter. So for half a cup, 1.5 cups of the batter in another container. Another container. And then with the remaining batter, mix in a full cup of peanut butter and then the remaining quarter 1/4 cup of sugar. Okay, then you want to take about a cup of peanut butter. So I don't like using measuring cup for peanut butter because it's sticky. So I'm going to measure it out with approximation. Or approximately, yeah. So I say about a heaping spatula full is about a cup, approximately. So you fill that up with and mix it in until it's completely mixed in. And then after that, the next step. After finish mixing, we'll take the batter from both bowls and mix them half and half at a time until you fill the pan, the spring form pan. Take half and layer it like so, leveling out so that it's level in the pan, and until you use up all the batter, half of each. Take half of this and layer it. It's fine if it's mixed just a bit. And then after that, we want to put it in the oven at 325 and bake for, I already checked the recipe, but that's what you do. I'll be back when I check it. Okay, the final thing is after you did all that, take this and put it in the oven and bake 60-90 minutes, or until it's the center is something that comes in. You poke the center and it comes out clean. I'll be back after this. Hey, it's bensciBonappetit Games. Welcome back to the video. So yesterday, I was working on making this cheesecake, and I just got out of the refrigerator and it's now done. So cut it up into pieces. It's the final step. Making a cheesecake. I'll be right back when that's done. Okay, there's the cheesecake. It's cut up into pieces. Now I'll do a taste test. So here I'm gonna taste it. Tastes really good. That tastes really good. That's what I expected. Good to me. Also, two sides of the layers. There's layers. That's why I made them with layers, so that makes sense. Anyway. Thanks everyone for watching my video. Now it's National Cheesecake Day. I get this edited today and uploaded for National Cheesecake Day. Anyways, thanks everyone for watching. Make sure to like if you like the video and subscribe for more videos in the future. It's bensciBonappetit logging off. Bye.